Number 1. Palaruvi Waterfalls. Palaruvi translates to milky streams. This is a stunning waterfall located on a Kollam-Shenkota road which falls from 300 feet. An ideal time to visit this place is from June to January. Even if you visit this place on a low season, it is a beautiful picnic spot. The 32nd highest waterfall in India, it is also known to have Ayurvedic properties. Number 2. Ashtamudi Lake. This lake is the most visited lake and backwater in the state. Lush green waterways lined with palm and coconut trees. There is no better place to start exploring Kollam, that is considered to be one of the best Kollam tourist places. Ashtamudi means 8-corned in Malayalam. The houseboat trip to this lake is among the most popular things to do in Kollam. Number 3. Mayanath. This village is an important place for shrines and temples and amongst the best tourist places in Kollam. Located at a distance of 10 kilometers from Kollam, it has 9 important temples. It lies on the banks of the Paravar Lake and also the coast of Arabian Sea, the most important one being the Lord Subramaniam Temple. Number 4. Kulathapuza. Kulathapuza town is located at a distance of 64 kilometers from Kollam. It is renowned for its Sastha temple, which is located on the banks of river Kulathapuza. If you are a Vishnu devotee, then do visit this place in April or May as the Vishnu Mahatotsav takes place here. Number 5. Jatayu's Earth Center. For the best of Kollam sightseeing, this is a very recent construction. The Jatayu Nature Park is a rock-themed park. The Adventure Park has 60 theatre and audio-visual digital room, cable car and much more. This is built to promote mythology and adventure tourism. This giant bird statue located on a hilltop is certainly unique and something that shouldn't be missed. Number 6. Asramam Adventure Park. Located in the core of the city near the bus stand, this is a fun adventure park for children. You can even experience backwater cruises from here to Elipe. You can see many mangroves and go to the open gym. If you are visiting Kollam with family, this is a place you must visit. Number 7. Rameshwara Temple. An ancient temple in Kollam, this temple dates back to the 12th century. It is believed to be built in the Pandyan style of architecture dedicated to Lord Shiva. One fascinating feature of this temple is the sculpture of Vyala, a mythological monster. This is probably one of the best tourist spots in Kollam. Number 8. Thenmala Deer Park. This park is built within the Kalada riverside forest. You can spot many types of deer here, from the barking deer, pambar deer, spotted deer, axis deer and many more. Apart from that, there's also children's park and a tree house as well as that you can explore. Number 9. Karungapale. Located 27 kilometers north of Kollam, this beautiful town has many resorts and beautiful beaches. The scenic beauty of this place is one of a kind. The main tourist attraction is the houseboat facility at Alamkadavu, which is close 3 kilometers to Karungapali town. If we look into the history of this town, this was actually a Buddhist site, which is why you still see a beautiful place called Krishnapura Palace, housing a deity of Lord Buddha. Number 10. Thirumulavaram Beach. A scenic and popular beach located in the city of Kollam. This beach is famous for the yearly ritual of Karkidaka Varubali. This beach is located at a distance of 6 kilometers from Kollam. Thirumuvallavaram beach is also among the twin beaches in the cashew capital of the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have taken this initiative to promote the tourism in India and your support motivates us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and also press the like button. Do tell us in comment section about your visit to these places and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.